How to keep the Sabbath for beginners. Let's get started. Rule number one, rest. For Yahweh rested on the seventh day after his 6 days of work, creating the heavens and the earth. Exodus 20, verse 11. For in 6 days Yahweh made the heavens and the earth, the sea, and all that is in them, and rested the seventh day. Rule number two, don't spend or receive money. This is a good rule, especially in today's world. You can easily spend money with a click of a button, which actually causes others to work on the Sabbath, which our Heavenly Father says not to allow. Exodus 20, verse 10. But the seventh day is the Sabbath of Yahweh your Elohim. In it you shall do no work, you, nor your son, nor your daughter, nor your male servant, nor your female servant, nor your cattle, nor your stranger who is within your gates. Rule number three, pray and read the scriptures. Since this is a holy day, we should do something that surrounds worshiping Yahweh. So pray, even if it's for 5 minutes, and read a few chapters of the Bible. Yeshua said in Matthew 4:4, But he answered and said, It is written, Man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceedeth out of the mouth of Elohim. Rule number four, try and find fellowship, online or in person. In-person fellowship is the best. Try looking up fellowship on the 119 Fellowship Finder. I'll leave a link below. But if you can't meet up in person, then I encourage you to at least find an online hangout with like-minded, level-headed believers. It goes a long way. Hebrews 10, verse 24 to 25. And let us consider how to stir up one another to love and good works, not neglecting to meet together, as is the habit of some, but encouraging one another, and all the more as you see the day drawing near. Rule number 5, keep it simple. Don't get caught up in the 100 do's and don'ts of Shabbat. Just keep it simple. Enjoy the Sabbath. Matthew 11, verse 28. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. If you're new to keeping the Sabbath, then please let me know what you think. And anyone who wants to share their experience when they were new to the Sabbath, please do so in the comment section below. Thank you, and shalom.